Hey everyone, me Kevin here. So consumer sentiment numbers just came in at the lowest numbers that we have seen since 2011, which some of you might remember, but 2011 was like the bottom of the real estate market. It wasn't necessarily the bottom of the stock market, but people were still really seriously concerned about a double dip recession at the bottom of 2011. It kind of makes me wonder if we're getting a little bit of that sort of sentiment now with, are we going to have sort of this double dip in terms of Delta? And I think that's really what's driving sentiment down here. Oh, I got to get into an Uber and I got to put this on. Oh, yeah, see you like before the horn. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
Everybody in the back. Oh, okay. All right, that sounds good. We'll fit 3 people back here. All right, so anyway, yeah, the consumer sentiment reading, in my opinion, is something that is a little bit lagging. And what I mean by that is consumers tend to overinflate how bad things are at a given time. So for example, when inflation's very high, consumers say, that's it, inflation's gonna be high forever. And they tend to miss that. They tend to be wrong about that regularly. When consumer sentiment starts inflecting downwards though, and we potentially suggest that we're gonna start seeing less purchasing, we're gonna potentially see a slowing down in the economy because of fears over Delta, that, in my opinion, is just the beginning of the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, that maybe Delta needs to create to potentially see any kind of hiccup in this market, to have any potential hope of the S&P 500 having any kind of correction for you to buy into if you're looking for that kind of a dip. But other than that kind of a dip, yeah, gosh, S&P 500, the Dow continue to hit record highs. The market is absolutely blowing up, and really this consumer sentiment reading, I don't think it's something that it will be too lasting beyond this present fear that we have coming up with the Delta variant. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how things expand, but this is going to hit headline news. It's already headline news, and it's going to be headline news probably for the next day and a half. And so far the stock market had a little initial setback and then started rotating back up. So I think the stock market's mostly going to shrug this off, but it's more of a potential sign of a start of that wave of bad news for Delta variant changes. The big tell, in my opinion, and I would watch this if I were you, tonight or tomorrow morning, Google search COVID cases and see if we have a spike up. Usually Saturdays, we have our highest COVID readings. Compare that to last week, and then we'll get to start planning for what we want to do on Monday, if we want to start buying the dip on recoveries or if it's too soon. Anyway, my thoughts here. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Check out that coupon code down below. You know where it is. And folks, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.